The Ducon Venturi Scrubber is an advanced industrial system engineered to remove submicron particles from flue gas with over 99.9% efficiency using a wet process and high-pressure drop. Its innovative design features a wetted wall inlet that eliminates wet-dry buildup and the need for spray nozzles, while the converging throat and diverging sections work together to accelerate the gas, entrain contaminants, and facilitate efficient separation. Ducon's proprietary design provides high venturi efficiency at low operating pressure drop. Built for rugged performance, it is available in various construction materials for corrosive applications and includes options like an adjustable venturi throat and integrated liquid recycling to meet diverse operating conditions. This reliable, low-maintenance Ducon solution for fine particulates not only maximizes pollutant removal efficiency, but also supports a sustainable, environmentally friendly operation. Contact us today to learn more and request a quote. For further information, visit our website, duconenv.com, or call us 1-631-420-4900.